Well, it is an incident that has again left the Home Ministry rather red-faced. A senior bureaucrat summarily shunted out on charges of corruption. This happened on Friday last week. Times Now is the only channel to access the copy of the marching orders, which revealed that barely 24 hours after the Home Ministry was alerted, Mr. Sadakant, Joint Secretary, was asked to leave. His office cleaned out soon after, each and every file removed. The Home Ministry maintains the Joint Secretary is being investigated for corruption, that he's not a mole. But the fact is that he had access to crucial, sensitive files on India's border projects, which is why many people are rightly very worried.
It comes as another embarrassment for the Home Ministry. Another top bureaucrat, the Joint Secretary Border Management Sadakant, shunted out of the ministry after allegations of corruption surfaced against him.
Times Now is the only channel to have an official copy of the marching orders given to the top-level bureaucrat in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Sadakant, Joint Secretary, Border Management, 1983 batch, Uttar Pradesh cadre, repatriated to his parent cadre within hours of the Ministry of Home Affairs getting the CBI alert from the Department of Personnel and Training on Thursday, May 19th. By 20th of May afternoon, as worded in this order, Mr. Sadakant was relieved of his duties.
The Home Ministry reacting to Times Now's exclusive report, confirming that the CBI was probing the charge for allegedly taking help of a contractor in constructing private property.
Yeah, there were allegations of corruption which were given to us by the CBI, and on that basis the request was made for his premature repatriation.
But there could be more. At his room number 172B, just one corridor away from the Home Minister's office, Sadakant was handling crucial information on infrastructure projects along India's borders with Pakistan, China and Nepal. Intelligence officials confirmed that Kant is now being probed for alleged quid pro quo with private entities.
Meanwhile, the man who's facing the corruption charge has not been seen ever since the marching order. Here, at his official residence in the national capital, his house help has told Times Now that Sadakant is not at home, but is ready to leave New Delhi.
But this is not the first time tainted Babus have embarrassed the Home Ministry. O. Ravi, who allegedly misused his post as Joint Secretary of Disaster Management, is being probed by the CBI on charges of bribery. And Ravi Inder Singh, accused of clearing sensitive files to specific telecom companies, is behind bars. And now Sadakant, the third bureaucrat. But the swift manner in which the Joint Secretary was asked to leave raises more suspicions. Did he know too much? Bureau Report, Times Now.